Hey guys, we received this Wi-Fi extender 2.5 for 5 gigahertz for test and try. It's a Wi-Fi repeater in case your home is not or some spot is not catching the internet or the Wi-Fi. You can use this, and this will extend the level. So there are four antennas in here and put, and there's a LAN attachment as well. So you can catch the Wi-Fi signal, and you can also use it for the LAN connection as well. Plug and play. So this have this IP that you can use and put it things, and this is the electric switch that goes. So I cannot show the attachment here due to safety or security reasons, but you can easily put in a straightforward thing. And once you put in, the lights are on, recognizable. You can put the IP, put in the password, and you can then connect it with your router and use it as a Wi-Fi extender. So I checked it and tested it. It's working, and it worked really well. So this is a good, and it can use both the 2.5 or the 5 gigahertz bands as well, and as LAN as well.